So hi YouTube. This next video is again about my vintage VS6 guitar, which I am actually planning to change this humbucker pickups. This is Wilkinson pickups. Just so that you could see, there's a label there that says on the side. Says Wilkinson. Okay, both pickups, neck and bridge. So I am planning to change this pickups to these types, which package arrived yesterday. This is Seymour Duncan SH2N jazz model and SH4JB. So the SH4JB is, I'm gonna put it in my bridge position, and for the SH2N jazz model I'm gonna put it in the neck position. So before I would replace it with these new Seymour Duncans, we are going to have a comparison between which one is better. Is it the Wilkinson's pickup? I haven't actually researched the kind of the models of these pickups, so I'll try it probably later on, but we'll have a sound comparison later on. So this is for the clean using the Wilkinson's pickups. This is for the bridge. Both. Neck. Okay, let's put a little lead to it. Start from the neck. Oh, sorry, bridge. Right, both. For the neck. Okay, so a little lead. For the bridge. So actually I'm using this wireless stuff, so it's probably in low battery state, so I'll be replacing it. Hello everybody, so I have successfully swapped or replaced my Wilkinson's pickup with the Seymour Duncan pickups. So now it's time for a sound test for you to compare. Let's start with clean. This is for the hold on. This is for full tone, full volumes. This is for the bridge. Okay, this is for both. Right, this is for the neck. So let's put a little crunch. Just for the bridge again. Alright, both. Next for the neck. Okay, do it for the lead. This is for the bridge. Right, so it's up to you to decide which ones is better. For me, it will be this new Pups, the Seymour Duncans. It's a bit clear. I mean, far clearer compared to the Wilkinsons, and I like the bridge tone. Right, the JB model, this one. So I could, this is just a preset of lead in my Yamaha THR10. So if you could listen to the bridge, So please leave your comments, let me know what you think, and I'll probably reply. Thank you for watching. Bye.